I've used a lot of indoor cameras over the years. Wyze, Ring, Blink, you name it. But I've always wanted something sharper. Something with real optical zoom and higher resolution. So when I saw the Eufy S350 with 4K clarity and dual lens zoom, I didn't hesitate to try it. And it did not disappoint. The Eufy S350 features a 4K wide-angle lens and a 2K telephoto lens, working together to deliver up to 8 times hybrid zoom. You can zoom in without losing detail, something most other indoor cams just can't do. You also get full room coverage with its 360-degree pan and tilt. No blind spots. No guessing. Just total visibility, perfect for pets or kids. Even at night, the S350 stands out. With an f/1.6 aperture and 8 adaptive infrared LEDs, it captures clear images up to 32 feet in low light. And with AI-powered tracking, it automatically follows motion and zooms in to keep the subject in frame, whether it's a family member or your dog running around. If you've been frustrated with grainy footage and static views, the Eufy S350 is a serious upgrade.